Welcome students. Today we are going to start with physical properties of metals and non-metals. Physical's first property is physical state. Physical state means to exist in solid, liquid or in gaseous state. So all metals except mercury are solids at room temperature. So all the metals, they are in solid state except mercury. Mercury is the only metal which exists in its liquid state at room temperature. On the other hand, non-metals they exist in solid, liquid and gaseous state also. Like sulfur, carbon, phosphorus, iodine, they exist in solid state, whereas bromine exists in liquid state, while chlorine, oxygen, nitrogen, they all exist in their gaseous state at room temperature. So it can exist in all the three states, and bromine is the non-metal which exists in liquid state. Let me show you two metals. This is iron nail made up of iron, and this is mercury. So iron and all other metals, they exist in solid state at room temperature, whereas this mercury, see, mercury, it is in the form of a liquid drop and in it exists in liquid state at room temperature. Mercury has a strong cohesive property, that is, the similar particles have a very strong affinity to stick together. So the this drop do not segregates or do not wet the container. So this is mercury. This is the only metal which exists in liquid state at room temperature. Next is melting point and boiling point. Melting point and boiling point, you all know melting point is the temperature at which a substance changes from its solid state to liquid state, and boiling point when the substance changes from its liquid to its gaseous state. So all metals, they have high melting and boiling points, whereas all non-metals, they have very low boiling points as well as melting points. For example, melting point of iron is 1536 degrees Celsius and its boiling point is 3000 degrees Celsius. And there is one exception. Melting point of cesium metal is only 28.7 degrees Celsius. And in non-metals, all non-metals have low boiling point. Like sulfur, it has melting point 119 degrees Celsius. And non-metals make exception है, that is diamond, which is the pure form of carbon. It has very high melting point and it is more than even iron, that is, it is 3723 degrees Celsius. So this is an exception here, and this is cesium is the exception in metals. Density. So all metals, they have high density, whereas non-metals, they have low density. Sodium, and here also we have some exceptions. Sodium and potassium are the metals which have low density, and their density value is even less than that of water, so they can float on water. ये पानी पे float कर सकते हैं. Next is hardness. All metals are very hard, whereas all non-metals are soft. So metals इतने hard होते हैं that they can withstand very high pressures, whereas non-metals बहुत ही soft होते हैं. They can be easily broken into pieces and they are very brittle. बहुत जल्दी टूट जाते हैं, not though very hard. For example, crystals of iodine को अगर हम beat करें with duster, then they break into pieces. Duster से ही अगर हम इनको break करें तो ये pieces में easily टूट जाते हैं. So they are brittle. They are very brittle. Then in hardness also we have one exception. Metals are very hard, but sodium and potassium metals are soft. They can be cut with the knife. Easily we can cut them with knife. And one exception is in non-metals also. Diamond non-metal है, but it is very hard, or rather we can say it is the hardest substance known. It is the hardest substance known till now. So being a नॉन मेटल इट इज द हार्डेस्ट. सारे नॉन मेटल सॉफ्ट हैं लेकिन डायमंड हार्ड है. नेक्स्ट इज लस्चर. metals have a shining surface. You all have seen metals जितने भी होते हैं, they have a peculiar shine. See this mercury, इसमें भी एक shine है. So this shine is known as metallic luster. इस shining appearance को हम बोलते हैं metallic luster. All the metals they have a shine. See this, it also has a shine. So this is known as metallic luster. All metals have metallic luster, whereas non-metals are dull. They don't have shine. But there is exception. One non-metal, iodine. एक non-metal है iodine, जिसमें shine होती है. ऐसी ही shine, metallic luster वाली shine होती है. So it is a exception here. The next property is malleability. Means that metals when they are hammered they can be transformed into thin sheets. उनकी sheets बनाई जा सकती हैं. And metals whereas non metals are non malleable. अगर हम non metals की sheet बनाना चाहें, उनको hammer से strike करेंगे, then they will form powder. वो powder बन जाएगा उनका. So metals are malleable, non metals are non malleable. Here is one activity that अगर हम जिंक का एक पीस लें और उसको हैमर से हम स्ट्राइक करते जाए, हैमर से उसको बीट करें, देन इट विल बी कन्वर्टेड इनटू अ थिन शीट बन जाएगी उसकी. देन नेक्स्ट इज डक्टिलिटी. मेटल्स कैन बी ड्रॉन इनटू थिन वायर्स. मेटल्स की वायर्स बन सकती हैं. दिस प्रॉपर्टी इज नोन एज डक्टिलिटी. इस प्रॉपर्टी को डक्टिलिटी बोलते हैं. ऑल मेटल्स आर डक्टाइल or whereas non metals are non ductile. So they all are ductile, and that's why they can be used for making electrical wires, door nets, wire mesh, etc. Whereas non metals are non ductile, so they cannot be used for making wires. Then tensile strength. So tensile strength, it is the property due to which a substance can bear a lot of strain without breaking. बहुत ज़्यादा strain को bear कर सकता है substance without breaking. इसे हम बोलते हैं tensile strength. Metals have high tensile strength, whereas non-metals do not have high tensile strength. Non-metals बहुत जल्दी टूट जाते हैं. Here again we have one exception, carbon fiber. Carbon का बना हुआ fiber जो है, it has very high tensile strength. So this is an exception here. Then conductivity. This topic we'll do tomorrow. So students revise the physical properties till 8th point and learn all the exceptions in them. Exceptions are important. Thank you, students.